In scientific terminology, hypothesis, theory, and law are three distinct concepts that represent different levels of understanding and certainty in the scientific community. Here's a brief explanation of each term. Hypothesis. A hypothesis is a proposed explanation or prediction for a phenomenon or a set of observations. It is typically based on limited evidence or preliminary data. A hypothesis serves as a starting point for scientific investigations and is subject to testing and scrutiny. In general, a hypothesis must be testable and falsifiable to be considered scientifically valid. Theory. In science, a theory is a well-substantiated and widely accepted explanation of natural phenomena. It goes beyond a single observation or experiment and encompasses a broad range of evidence from multiple sources. Theories are supported by extensive experimental data, mathematical models, and observations that have been repeatedly tested and validated. They provide a comprehensive framework for understanding and explaining a specific aspect of the natural world. Importantly, a scientific theory is not merely a guess or conjecture. It is a robust and reliable explanation that has withstood rigorous scrutiny. Law. A scientific law is a concise statement that describes a fundamental principle or regularity in nature. Laws summarize patterns or relationships observed in numerous experiments and observations. They are often expressed in mathematical terms and are considered to be universally applicable under specific conditions. Unlike theories, which explain why or how phenomena occur, laws describe what happens under specific circumstances. Scientific laws are typically based on empirical data and provide a concise description of a phenomenon without explaining the underlying mechanism. It's important to note that the terms hypothesis, theory, and law are used within the context of scientific discourse and have specific meanings in that context. They are subject to revision and refinement as new evidence and discoveries emerge.